So in security doors, you can use this kind of a grill. And then the grill, they have capability to intumescent in a fire situation. When there is fire raging in the room, all the intumescent lining along this the spaces you are looking at, they will just come together and they will seal up, preventing the fire from traveling to the next, because the whole essence of passive fire prevention is about containment. Efficacy of our product, just the way it will act or react on the wooden door. This aspect is treated and the other one is not treated. What are you actually doing?
This is a wooden door. This is untreated. This is untreated part of the wooden door. This one is treated with our retardant paint. This one now, if you put fire on this one now, instead of this fire on this one, it will be intumiscent, which means it will be swelling up. It will not burn. You can see now. It's not burning, but if you put it on this untreated one, it will continue burning. It will be continue darkening and darkening.
Do you have similar coatings for glass as well?
Yeah, we have for steel, we have for glass.
You set fire, it will just be getting darker. You can't hold it by yourself. You treat your rug with this product. You treat your fabrics, even the cloth you are wearing. We can treat it with this product, 321. We set fire on it, it can never, just getting darker. It can never transfer from a point to the other. Set one, if you set fire on it immediately, it will just start burning. That is the difference between this treated one and treated one.
Fire from traveling to one place to another. I think you can see the intermittent part.
The gasket is the one, this one is externally installed on the wall. And you have the steel gasket one that goes inside the wall. And then they have intumescent lining. The intumescent lining, when there is a spark, what happens is that they swell up, especially when the temperature gets to 120 degrees centigrade. When they swell up, and then they can mop up the fire, and that will be the end of it. So the beauty of it is that fire will not even begin in the first place. So we call it intumescent lining. So instead of you buying the regular gasket, why don't you buy the fire-rated one with the intumescent lining in it? And we have taken into cognizance the budget constraints of individuals and organizations.
Phone case, the phone itself, the newspaper, those are the items we are putting in this bag. So we look forward to the result we get after setting fire on this bag. So it's going to about 30 seconds now. So what it's trying to do is to roast the bag. You know, in a fire situation, within 30 seconds to 60 seconds, there will be a good Samaritan that will call the fire service. We all believe that. What we are doing now is direct fire. In a normal fire situation, this will be either in your wardrobe or in your office cabinet or something. So before the fire will actually get to the bag, it will take longer time. But what we are doing now is direct fire on the bag. That's what we are doing now. So this is the newspaper that was in the bag. This is the phone case, and this is the phone itself.
We saw the equipment, and we actually agreed with all of them. And even with the practical demonstration that we did with some of them, we could beat our chest that they are very good equipment that somebody can even go and pick and begin to use.
Sagif's services include, but is not restricted to, supply and installation of a whole range of passive fire prevention products like coatings for wood and wood-related products, intumescent coatings for steels, fire barrier curtains, gaskets for electrical trunkings, and covers
for PVC
and seals for plumbing pipes. Other services are supply and installation of FM200 suppression system, supply and installation of sprinkler system, inspection and tests of pre-installed fire safety equipment, and of course,
to the manifold, and then you have the actuator here.
Corporate organizations and fire service personnel. Sagif also conducts fire safety risk assessment based on